What's up, content creators? It's your boy, the masked YouTuber, the one that will take your channel to 1 million subscribers. So today in this short video, we will go through our monthly recap and I will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to replicate the success of this channel for your channel. Let's go! So before going into the monthly recap, I need one favor from you today. Let's try to take this video to 100 likes. I know with the amount of subscribers I currently have, it may be difficult, but I believe in you guys. So click on the like button below and also don't forget to click on the subscribe and hit the bell if you have not already. Let's take this to 100 likes. So it's been 1 month. 1 month together and we did amazing. It was an amazing month for my channel and for also your channel. In last week's progress video, I was at 355 subscribers and today, at the time of filming this video, I'm currently at 611 subscribers. That's insane! We nearly doubled the amount of subscribers we got in the single week. And all this because of you guys, so thanks a lot for your support this past month. But what makes me the most happy is seeing all the comments from you guys on my videos tell me that my strategies and tips I've been teaching for the past month worked for you. So not only is this channel growing, but your channel is also growing. So I would like to congratulate all of you for taking action and let's try to bring our channels to 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2018. We can do it. I believe in you. Now let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how I got so much success for this channel. Prior to getting views, engagement and subscribers, your videos and channel need to be of acceptable quality. If you're getting tons of views on your videos but no one is subscribing, it means that your videos and channel are not of acceptable quality. What you need to do is go watch a video I made a few weeks back with 5 things that you need to have for your channel to make people subscribe. The link should be here on the top right corner. It's really important that you watch that first. Now that you have these 5 things on point, you can start promoting your channel, and you know that I've been using the commenting strategy with great success for the past few weeks. This is the only strategy I've been using and I believe this is the only thing that you need to reach 1,000 subscribers. I did a video a few weeks back showing you exactly what you need to do to get 10 subscribers per day commenting on other people's videos. So go watch it, the link should be here somewhere. It's the only thing that you need to reach 1,000 subscribers, so don't bother about anything else and start taking action. This method really works. Now, if you want to go even faster, you need to target YouTube suggested and YouTube searches. About 20% of views on my videos come from this source of traffic, which is pretty good. Go watch the video I did on how to rank #1 on YouTube. This will bring free traffic to your channel and videos without having you to lift even a single finger. The strategies discussed in these 3 videos are the only thing that you need to take your channel to 1,000 subscribers. So watch the videos, implement the strategies and start taking action.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
It's all on you guys. You are the only one that can bring your channel to 1,000 subscribers. It's all on you. Take action now. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Let's bring this video together to 100 likes. So click on the like button below, and if you have not already, click on also the subscribe button, hit the bell and leave a comment below with any questions that you have on how to grow your channel. I will always be here to help you. See you in the next video.